In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default homepage in Google Chrome. This is a handy skill to know, as your homepage is often the first thing you see when you open your browser. If there's a specific website you use frequently, setting it as your homepage can save you time and streamline your browsing experience. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. If you haven't already got it running, locate the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Once Chrome is open and ready, take your cursor to the three vertical dots in the upper right corner of the window. This icon represents the Chrome menu, and it's where you'll find the options to customize and control your Chrome settings. Clicking on these three dots will open a drop-down menu. From this list, you need to select Settings. This action will take you to the main settings page of Chrome, where a plethora of customization options await you. Don't worry, we'll focus on just a few of these. Now that you're on the settings page, look towards the left side of the screen and locate the Appearance section. The Appearance menu handles various interface customizations, but for our purposes, we're interested in the Homepage settings. Within the Appearance section, you'll see an option labeled Show Home button. Flip the toggle switch to enable it. When this switch is enabled, a small house icon will appear next to your address bar. This button is a shortcut to quickly return to your homepage, no matter where you are on the web. If you're not seeing it immediately, just ensure the switch is blue, indicating it's successfully activated. Once you see the Home button toggle turned on, you need to click on Enter Custom Web Address. This is where you'll enter the URL of the site you want to use as your new homepage. Simply type the full address, for example, www.example.com, into the provided field. Make sure the web address is correct so you don't end up with an error page whenever you click the Home button. With the custom web address entered, the final step is simple. Close the Settings tab. There's no need to save explicitly, as Chrome automatically saves changes as you make them. Now, whenever you click that Home icon or start up Chrome, it should take you directly to your new homepage, and there you have it. You've successfully changed the default homepage on Google Chrome. By setting this up, you've optimized your browsing speed and ensured that your most visited site is just one click away right at your startup. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you run into any issues or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.